is so cool. He even talks and dances. I can't wait to open him up. Here's Marshall. Before we turn him on, let's talk about what he looks like. He can shoot out cannons. You can put this down right here and you can pick it up. There's a little clip thing, so you can clip it. He has a firefighter hat, he has a firefighter suit on, he has a badge in the front, and she has a little itsy bitsy tail. Marshall can do all kinds of things. Let's turn him on. If you hold his head down, see what he does. And see what the next thing is.
This is fun! I'm ready for a rough rescue! Oh no! The fire missile for this cafe! Let's go, go, go! Open my pup pack to activate my water cannon.
Let's close this pup pack and see what's the next mission.
Wait for me! I'm ready for a rough rescue! Chicoletta has gone missing!
What? No, it's Chicoletta?
Down on my head to go look! Let's go, go, go!
Get over here.
Here, Chicoletta!
Stay right there.
There she is! Let's get her home! Home! We made her creepy! Don't forget to close my pup pack for the next mission!
Do it again.
I'm ready for a rough rescue! Farmer Al accidentally dropped hot coals around the corn maze! Let's go, go, go!
Let's take him where there's no room on a mission. Let's do another mission.
Wait for me! I'm ready for a rough rescue! Don't forget to close my pup pack for the next mission. Help me win the fastest fire pup trophy. Push down on my head to start the obstacle course. Follow me! Let's go around the fire pole. Now around the tire.
Oh, you can actually see the walls. And it turns.
Yay! We finished the course, and I won the fastest fire pup trophy. Thanks. I couldn't have done it without you.
Let's do it again.
I'm ready for a rough rescue. Volcano Island has erupted, and the hot lava is quickly spreading. Can you push down on my head, or open up my pup pack? That's right. You open up my pup pack to activate my water cannon. Water cannon!
Let's go for the next mission.